Hello, partners. It is nice to address you with an excellent news about having started a beneficiary charitable fund for very needy veteran artificers. Now, this is called INVA, Indian Naval Veteran Artificers Trust. Leslie Fernandez of 18th Class ERA, who had his own shipping company, and he created a fund by himself for the sake of saving veteran artificers. After having helped many veteran artificers to a tune of over 21 lakhs, the trust couldn't be followed up on a permanent basis. Now, based on that principle, we have created an INVA Trust, Indian Naval Veteran Artificers Trust, which is, as per all statutory rules and regulations of the Government of India, and registered and ready to function, ready to accept donations and ready to help very needy veteran artificers. First of all, I have to thank partner Thomas of 20th Class. The trust fund is ready. It is mine. May I request that all our partners who can afford to contribute towards this, which I am sure many of us are very well in that range, so that the very, very unfortunate veteran artificers can be offered charitable donation from partner ND Makra of nearly 3.5 lakhs. Thank you very much. Many others follow suit to their capacity. The suggestion is that on an annual basis, a 1 month's pension each other partner can provide, that will be a very, very enviable trust fund. So thank you very much.
Naval veteran artificers around the world. While most of the partners after leaving the Navy are doing exceptionally well, there are some who need financial help due to unforeseen circumstances. Presently, there is no organization to help the needy partners among us. Group of veteran artificers decided to organize Indian Naval Veteran Artificers Trust to help the partners who are in difficult circumstances financially. General reaction from partners had been positive, hence this trust fund. We hereby launch the fund drive and appeal all artificers for their generous contribution to the INVA Trust. I am Thomas Chase, EAP 20, Chairman of the INVA Trust, wishing you all and the families a happy 74th Independence Day and prosperous years of India ahead. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind partners, on this very happy Independence Day, I wish you all a very successful bonding. I have sincerely felt the artificers' collective wisdom could really make a great change in our social working and certainly enhance the skills that our ancestors have given to us to impart to the younger generation. I wish all the group of artificers who have excellent mind in technology building will be able to make use of this. Wish you best of luck.
Dear partners, Namaskar. I am partner B.S. Ajji, ERA from 36th class. I wish you all happy Independence Day. For we partners, today, 15th August 2020 is a special day with the formation of INVA Trust, that is Indian Navy Veteran Artificer Trust, by the partners and for the partners. From year 2003, event exam is held every year in different locations where our families enjoys more than us. In the present days of communication play a big role. Up to the year 2017, I collected required data of partners, and each year directory book was printed. Their total data of 950 partners was available. As with the advance of technology, now we have our own website inxartifices.com, where about 1800 partners are registered. It is so unique that any apprentice entry artificer is called a partner. The word partner itself is so pious to us is that we forget the whole world when we meet or talk with any partner. We enjoy together and also we feel pain of each other when bad time comes to any of us. Realizing this attitude of helping each other in bad times, formation of INVA Trust has been formed. With senior partners' guidance, task force is created. I feel privileged to be one of the trustee members of the trust. Donation from all veteran partners will be accepted. I request all veteran partners to donate generously. This trust is by the partner and for the partner. This will provide help in bad times to the needy partners and their immediate families. Also register in our website, that is inxartifices.com, and make use of this website for all purposes. Once again, wish you and your families all the best. I am partner B.S. Ajji. Jai Hind.
Hello partners, greetings to you all on this Indian Independence Day. My name is H. Guru Raja Rao, ex-ERA of class 38. Partners, as you all are aware, LCFCT, Leslie Cynthia Fernandez Charitable Trust, that was active until a little while ago, got wound up due to the sponsor's various personal reasons. While LCFCT was active, we had identified and helped financially a few destitute veteran artificers by distributing funds to a tune of about 6 to 7 lakhs. Now, for almost a year, we have had no active charitable fund available to the needy and destitute veteran artificers. We had to correct this situation on a war footing. And today, on this auspicious day, our own Indian Navy Veteran Artificer Trust has taken birth, which was for a long time in the planning. This great charitable trust was made possible and initiated by our very selfless, dedicated partner, Thomas Chase, and his sincere team of trustees. This trust will, in the very near future, start to help our fellow veteran artificers and their families in need of financial aid to overcome their difficult times. This INVA trust is by the partners and for the veteran partners. I sincerely plead and solicit all my partners and their families for your generous donation to this INVA trust and be a part of this noble cause and good deed in helping our brother veteran artificers to improve their situation. Please help us to help you. God bless you all. Jai Hind.
Dear partners, this is Sant Khanna, EAP Form 48th class. At the onset, on this 74th Independence Day, I extend my good wishes and greetings to you and your families. By now, you must have seen, heard, read or known about the Naval Veteran Artificers Trust being launched today, 15th August 2020, and its main motto is by partners for partners. We also will be coming out with detailed information about INVA Trust from time to time, with the aim of letting each and every partner know what INVA will do for the needy and how it will help any partners or his family in case they are in distress. Now I will touch upon the need for field ambassadors. They are the volunteers who shall be spent in each region, every state, all major cities, representing spectrum of different classes, seniors and youngers alike. They will pilot proposals, visit the needy partners or family, check ground reality and prepare a brief report. After assessing the situation and the quantum of help needed in each case, it's only based upon his report necessary financial help will be extended in the fastest possible way without loss of time. These field representatives will be the link between INVA and partners who need help. Regional representatives will be selected based on various factors. INVA Trust will spend every rupee for the needy or distressed partners only. If you desire to join the team of ambassadors, kindly volunteer yourself. At the end, I wish you good health, stay safe, take care of yourself, your family and your surroundings. Thanks. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Congratulations and compliments to all on 74th Independence Day of India. Partners, I am Janaki Prasad Patnaik, class 52 EAR, and my call sign is JP. Partners, I am very excited to be part of INVA Trust. This is the service hand which will extend to meet the requirement and the need of a partner in distress and to help the partner's family who is in need. As a member of the Board of Trustees, my responsibility is to implement and to integrate the technology with the services, with the policies and procedures. I am also the project head of INVA Task Force, which eventually will become the operational wing of INVA Trust, taking care of the inflow management, the outflow management, mid-office management, campaign and reporting management. Our website, inxartificers.com, will fulfill all the needs of INVA Trust, taking care of the donations, dispensing help and the services to the needy, doing the promotions and making the reporting with 100% transparency and with 100% efficiency. That is the promise of my team to all of you. I know INVA Trust will become successful. I wish all the success to INVA Trust. Long live INVA Trust. Partners forever. Jai Hind.
Everyone says the year 2020 is bad for the world due to COVID-19. But I feel it's very good for the Indian Navy veteran artificers. You know why? Because we have registered the INVA Trust. Then we have applied for the PAN card, which we got immediately. Then immediately we opened up one account with HDFC Bank, and now we are integrating the payment gateway so that it becomes very easy for the partners to contribute to the INVA Trust. Thank you so much.
Good morning, partners. First of all, I would like to wish you all and your family happy Independence Day. I am H.S. Negi from 69th class ERA. I am part of INVA Trust, Indian Naval Veteran Artificers Trust. This trust is by the partners, for the partners. This is basically formed to help needy partners if they or their family needs it. About the trust, senior partners have already spoken, and all the information, most of the information has already been given. I would like to touch upon one point, which is frequently asked questions. There will be numerous questions arising that for whom this trust is, by whom this, who all can invest in this trust, or who all can donate in this trust, and how other functions of this trust will take place. These all questions have been answered in frequently asked questionnaire, which will be circulated to all. I would like to touch only upon few points. One, who all can donate in this trust? In this trust, only ex-artificers of Indian Navy, apprentice entry, can donate. And all the ex-artificers of Indian Navy, apprentice entry, will be the beneficiary or can be given the trust benefits. All the senior partners of this trust have touched upon most of the points. But should there be any point which arises in anybody's, they can always go to the website or ask the questions from the website, and they will be answered by the partner concerned partner who will be the in charge or who will be looking after that particular area. I wish INVA Trust and all the partners good luck and hope this will benefit the real needy partners. Thank you, partners. Jai Hind.